I was supposed to make a sewing video today, but not today, a few days ago, but I've had a cold and time it's been crazy around here. So today we're talking. I've had this idea for ages and I think it's the perfect time to talk about it. And it is my 10 favorite dresses of all times. So let's have a look. I grew up in the 90s, so it's obvious that the first one is a dress that Julia Roberts wore in Pretty Woman. It's the brown cocktail dress with the polka dots and it's delicious. I've always liked it since I was little and I think it's perfect because it will never go out of fashion. It's one of these forever dresses that you can have in your wardrobe, and it is really nice with all the polka dots and the mid-length, no sleeves. And funnily enough, I was given one like this for my birthday, well, a few years ago. It doesn't fit me now, and I wore it for my cousin's wedding. And I made a mint green petticoat to go with it, and I think it was just the cherry on top. The next one is another Julia Roberts one, I know, and it is this lavender dress that she wore at my best friend's wedding. And it is really nice. It's a bit, if I look at it, I think it's a bit much because it has two different necklines and it's a bit over the top. But I think because it has so much going on, it works perfectly fine, because even though it has an alto dress and then below your shoulders one, I think because it has different fabrics, it works really well. I don't like the two little flowers she has here. The rest works fine. And then it has this really nice skirt with the mermaid cut.
It's really pretty.
And of course the lavender works really well with her hair tone, so that's just, well, that's just luck. The next one is a red dress that the Queen of Spain wore when she was only just announced as the Prince Fiancés, and it is a dream. It's from a Spanish designer, Lorenzo Caprile, who is now hosting the Spanish Sewing Bee, and it is amazing. I love the design. It's really him because he loves that color. The skirt has a beautiful shape with a bit of a train, and the top has the tulle sleeves and two brow sheets that I think there were earrings. It's a really pretty dress and it would be lovely as a wedding dress as well, in white or cream. And I don't know why she didn't choose him for her wedding dress, because his designs are really nice. And then we have a really special dress for me because I based my wedding dress on this one, more or less. And it is a turquoise Jenny Pacman dress that Kate Middleton wore, I think, for the opera or for something. The skirt is really flowy and the top is amazing because everything is lace, and then it has the chest area all draped, and it is really nice, really pretty. I think it has all my checkpoints for a dress.
Really nice.
And when I was sewing my wedding dress, I watched the Oscars on TV, and this Emily Blunt's one was a dream. It's really nice in this plumette, and the design is amazing. It's like she came out of a fairy tale, and it's really pretty with the neckline and the sleeves and all those jewels around her chest area. Really nice.
If I ever get married again,
I'll wear plumette.
She's always well dressed, Emily Blunt, isn't she? She's really elegant.
Like, she has the proper dress for any occasion. And then I have the Dior's scallop dress. It's amazing, the work they have on that. And I'm really sad that when I went to London, the exhibition just ended, so I couldn't see it. But if you have the opportunity to go and see it, because they go around the world, check it out, because I bet it's amazing to see all those dresses in front of you. The problem is that I think I would like to touch them, like go like this, and I don't think you can. Of course you can't. It's a beautiful dress, no sleeves, and then it has all these big scallops around the skirt Really nice, really elegant. The next one is a dress that it is in my list, in my to-do list at some point. I even got the zipper and the ribbons to make it, but I haven't had the chance. It is this polka dot Blake Lively wore, and it is amazing. I think it's really nice, really pretty, but I wouldn't know where to wear it. It's really nice. Again, really flowy, and I love the sleeves with all the tulle and then the deep v-neck and the ribbon attached, well, like an altar dress.
Really nice, really pretty.
And the last three are films or series I've watched and I love. The problem is that I can't choose only one, so I've chosen one just to show you and to let you know what film or series it is. But the whole, they are all amazing. The first one is The Dressmaker. I think I've talked about this one, but it is really nice. It's a nice film, you have to watch it. It's a bit of a drama, but it's really nice. Kate Winslet arrives in a village, and it's this village in the middle of nowhere, and she starts making these dresses for the ladies, and all of a sudden you go through the village and you can see these ladies all dressed up like they are going to the Oscars in 10 minutes, and it's amazing. It's really nice. All the dresses are a dream. There's a polka dot one, really nice, and a sort of mustard ochre one, and a red one. They are all pretty. I chose this one because I think it's the first one she made, but they are all amazing. You have to watch it. Then of course is the marvelous Miss Maisel. If you have vintage clothes and this vintage style, you have to watch it. The series is amazing. All the actors are I've cried with laughter so many times, and you can see how they just do the whole thing at once, and it's amazing. They're really good, and I chose this one because I think it's a clever use of stripes. With a stripe piece of material, you can then cut it in different ways and make a nice really design. Check it out because her wardrobe is a dream. And lastly, you know I like it because I made a video about it, is the Queen's Gambit series. I sort of made a skirt based on one she wore, and I really like all her wardrobe. But I like this dress in particular. I would like to recreate it to see what I can do, because if you have a look at it, you can't really see it on the picture because it's a bit blurry. There are not many pictures. I can't see any seams on the waistline. So I'm quite intrigued about how you will cut the panel, the front panel, if it's a whole thing and then you just split the sides and attach a bias tape, or what you do. I don't know, I have no idea, but I would like to have a go at it. I really like the design. It's a knee-length dress, very simple, but really nice. And these are the 10 dresses that come to my mind if I think, what are your favorite dresses in history? So let me know, of course, down in the comments which ones are yours and which ones you would love to recreate. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything next week. Bye!